we've already seen what Hitler had done in his own country for Reconstruction. But you see, the lust of power and the lust of actually expansion of power leads a person to destruction. And similar thing happened to Hitler. Hitler now did not listen to anybody, and he thought that he had become mighty, powerful, and there was nobody above him. In September 1939, Germany attacked Poland, and they started a war between England, France also. And in 1940, the Tripartite Pact was signed between Germany, Italy and Japan. This made Hitler feel that he has become invincible. So he committed a Himalayan blunder, and that was when he attacked the Soviet Union in 1941. And here came a crushing defeat for Germany and Hitler in the Battle of Stalingrad. Now the time had come when USA thought that it was time for it to enter the World War. And Japan, it attacked the Pearl Harbor of US, which made the entry fast. And when US entered the World War, that was the doomsday for Germany and Hitler, because Hitler was defeated in the Second World War, and as we know, once he was defeated, what we saw at the beginning of the chapter, the story of Helmut, when his nobles, officers, his aides, his supporters all became threatened of the world community. The Nazi ideology, the ideology that Hitler had propounded or put forward, was that he just wanted the blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans. There was no place for people who were short height. There was no place for people who had dark complexion. All that he wanted was good-looking, handsome Germans, the pure Aryan race as he called them. Now, he felt that he actually is right, Herbert Spencer, when he says that it is the survival of the fittest. He felt that actually the people who are good looking should stay on, and all those who were non-Germans, or rather the non-Aryans, should be completely eliminated. He also started with the theory of Lebensraum, that is, a country has to make conquest in order to expand its country. You just cannot relax by having the territory that you already have. Well, this was the establishment of a racial state in Germany, where it was that all those who are undesirable, like those who are gypsies, Russians, Poles, all of them should be eliminated, should be killed, and only the pure German Aryans should be able to survive there. The Ithunchasya program, which he started with, was the killing of the mass Germans. The Jews had to live in a separate area marked, which was called as the ghettos. But this did not end the desire of Hitler of actually torturing the non-Germans. He still had to go very far, because he felt that unless the total elimination does not come, we cannot have a pure German Aryan race in Germany. So, I will continue with it in the next clipping.